guys, this is a quick unboxing video of the Rii Real Internet Idea keyboard, which I actually got it from Amazon. So I just want to post a quick review of this so that if you guys are looking to buy this or considering what is the difference between this or other keyboards out there, so it kind of helps you to make a better decision. So anyway, here we go. This is the size of the box that came in. I'm just going to compare the size of the dollar menu so you'd see it. It's just that's how it looks. That's kind of the box, how it looks, and it's pretty easy. Slide out and you open that and you have a keyboard right here. And I thought this is a perfect size, and there's one more size available. It's kind of a couple of dollars cheaper, but I decided to get this one because of the multimedia buttons which are available. And I know you have two of these, a letter from thanks letter. I know there's some disclaimer or whatever. There's an operating instructions and whatnot. And here's the keyboard. Here's the actual keyboard. Looks, it has big surface area for your trackpad, and you have all dedicated buttons over here, and there's an on-off switch in the back. It's located right here, which is kind of convenient. I hope that there's a light that comes on. Hopefully it kind of shows you that it's on. I think there are lights here. So and you pull this, it's a battery compartment. Not really, it's rechargeable. So I think battery is built into this. So you basically plug in this wire that basically charges the keyboard. And here is your Bluetooth adapter. I really like these because it's really a plug and play. Some of the times, if you're using Kodi in some of the Android boxes, the Bluetooth is not the greatest. It doesn't really work. So this is a really handy device. You can plug it in and you're good to go. You're not really kind of trying to figure out the Bluetooth stack and what's the version and does it talk to the keyboard, yada yada. You're not going through the hell of trying to configure. So this is really handy, especially if you want to work on a Mac or Windows. You just pull it, plug it in, and you're good to go. And there's a handy storage here. You can put it, of course, you can store it. And it's pretty neat the way they done it. It's all concealed and it's not going to be on the way. So it's, there's a track. You put the wire and actually hide it. And that's basically the quick look at. There's nothing, obviously there's nothing else to look here. You can quickly just again check the size of this keyboard. So it's just like that, and of course you can look at the exact measurements online. So just to kind of give you a comparison, how big it's going to feel on your hand. Of course I have terribly big hands, so I don't think I will have any problem holding them. And it's not, again, big. If you have small hands, I don't think it's really big, and it actually, sits on a thigh really nice. If you're sitting and kind of like, cruising through your internet TV or whatever, this is a perfect keyboard, and I will probably use this and try to give my, when you turn it on, I think there's a little bit of power left in there, so it actually trying to connect. So it's kind of cool. It has built-in lights and stuff, so it's kind of, and also it has a built-in battery, which I love. Anyway, guys, that's basically the, of course, this is a quick instruction. I'll just show you this. Anyway, that's just, that's where how the mouse works. So anyway, that's just a quick review of this product. Thanks for checking my video. Bye-bye.